In this video we have to record laptop screen with video and audio. Okay, so in this you need to click Windows Shift plus R. Yes, Windows Shift R. This screen will open. In this you can see the recording and all things will be here. So you need to drag. So display size, need to give the size. Then as after that you need to click the start, and it will start recording your given size display, and it's asking for audio. So I'm no need, if you not need no need audio means you can click depends on you. So after that now the screen is recording. So without any application we can record. So once recording, it will show the top side, it will shows the stop recording and fast and something as in this stop. So you can stop recording, or else you can complete recording. And after this page will open. In this you can see in the top you have many like trim options, like edit, clip pad, and many other options are there, saves. So you can after recording you can play and check. So in this I'm not using audio. So uh, yes, it's playing. So this is how to record. And also you have some settings, depends on you can enable and disable it. So you can see the top side trim and edit, clip add and save. And you can see in the right corner a three dot icon is there. You need to click that and need to open the settings. In this you can see uh, automatically copy changes, and after recording where you should be need to save, which types folders you can change the folders, and multiple windows you need means you can do. And after many other settings are there. In these you can click it, and you can depends on you can customize, and you can on and off the icons. So this is how to record laptop screen with video and audio. So thanks for watching.